After pan heats up, place 4 slices of bread. Toast it at medium flame. Flip the bread after 2 minutes. It takes about 2 minutes for each side. Turn off the flame and after it cools down, grind to a coarse powder. Toast at least 2 batches for our recipe. For this recipe, I am taking about 2 medium-sized potato boiled earlier, which is approximately 150 grams. To this, I am adding nicely minced mutton, which is about quarter kg. 3/4 cup finely chopped onions, 1 large green chili chopped, 1/4 teaspoons of chili powder, a quarter teaspoon cumin powder, a pinch of pepper powder, a pinch of garam masala, 1 teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon corn flour powder and 3 tablespoons of rice flour. Now let's mix all this nicely together. Let us keep this aside for 30 minutes. Now break open 1 egg. Take 1 scoop of the mix and make a patty. Dip the cutlet patty in the egg and then cover evenly with the breadcrumbs. Prepare thin slices of cutlet patties so that it gets cooked evenly. Now let us fry the cutlet in medium hot oil.